Are you experiencing the no internet connection error on Spotify? Here are 9 quick and easy fixes to get your Spotify back online. Want to avoid the Spotify no internet connection available error forever? Listen to Spotify songs offline on any device for uninterrupted music. Try AudioFab Spotify Music Converter. AudioFab can save Spotify songs on your computer, so you can transfer them to any device for offline listening. To begin, open AudioFab Spotify Music Converter. The Spotify app will also open. Drag and drop a Spotify playlist to AudioFab. Pick your favorite songs and click Add. Go to Settings to customize your settings. Back on the home screen, click Convert. After conversion, the folder with your tracks will pop up. You can listen to them anytime and anywhere. Happy listening! Don't forget to subscribe and like.